Hey guys, welcome back to another travel schooling, world schooling, homeschooling video. And in this one, I want to encourage you to take up your child or children's education to another level, okay, or several levels. You want to improve this. One of the key ways of improving your child's education along with your own self motivation and inspiration, okay, enjoying the process of educating your children is traveling. When you take out time to travel together, you build an unspeakable bond. It is indescribable, okay. And when you spend time in nature away from the rampant invasion of technologies like the tablet and the smartphone, and you're able to spend time with each other in nature, then this will set the premise for a more solid foundation in your relationship building process as a family. Parent to child, or children or child to parent, vice versa. Click the link in the description to find out more, okay?